Scala is a high-level programming language that combines object-oriented and functional programming paradigms. It was designed to be concise, expressive, and scalable, with an emphasis on type safety, immutability, and concurrency. Scala was first released in 2003 by Martin Odersky and has since gained popularity for its flexibility and interoperability with existing Java codebases. Key features of Scala include object-oriented and functional, static typing, concurrency, functional libraries, interoperability with Java, immutable data structures, tooling and ecosystem. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, likes, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.